Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use gestures and motions on Xiaomi 13 Pro. And to do this, let's open our settings. Now scroll down and find additional settings. And here we have gesture shortcuts. First one is launch Google Assistant by holding the power key for half a second. So you need to do it like that. And here we have our Google Assistant. Next one is take a screenshot, and there's two options here: slide down 3 fingers or use the volume down plus power button. And first one with buttons, again, first one with buttons works like this, and 3 fingers works like this. Next is a partial screenshot, so you need to hold your 3 fingers onto the screen like that, and you'll be able to select the portion of the screen you want to take a screenshot for. Next, launch camera. Right here there's 2 options: double press power button to enable the camera, and double press volume down when the screen is locked. And this feature will need to exchange for a torch for the flashlight, and let's check it out. So double press power button, here we have a camera. Double press the volume down button on the lock screen, and there's also camera popping up. Next feature is turn on torch, and we also need to replace it now with a camera. And if we double press on the power key, the flashlight turns on and off. Last feature is the back tap. Here we have it, and you need to back tap your phone 2 or 3 times to make a different gesture, and here it can open any of these functions. So let's go for control center maybe, and calculator. So double tap, I'm gonna tap right here, 1, 2, and here we have a control center, and triple tap, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here we have a calculator. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.